Oh, okay. Bird, Igouroni, go get it. I choose you. Oh my god. That's okay, because I have insane jumping skills. Yeah. Bird? Igouroni? Oh, hey, there you are. Where'd you go? Why'd you fly into the sky? Don't do that. Now I shoot you, and that unlocks that. Now I call you, and you, Igouroni, go over there. Which, never mind, because I have to go down. Oh, Igouroni, you're so useful. Is there anything else? Oh. How do I get out? Like that. Just that easy. Igouroni, where'd you put your weight? Why'd you drop it? I didn't give you the permission to drop it. Huh? Am I crazy? Am I actually going crazy? Oh yeah, but about yesterday, you know how I was kind of talking about how my family's ill and I'm the only one, and I was laughing about it. If they were actually really, really ill, I wouldn't be laughing, but they're already on their way to getting better. And it's really just like a common cold right now. Felt like a haha, I'm in danger kind of moment. That's why I didn't really think much of it, but yeah. Don't worry guys, I'm not a sociopath. They all got their boosters several times, so they thought it was funny. Don't worry, we know you're weird like us. Oh, thank God. Okay, that's a relief to hear. Oh yeah, I just remembered my objective. Was this thing. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. The experience sword wasn't probably that much anyway. It's fine. Oh, how do I get more weights? No, seriously. Where do I get more weights? Or just one. I just need one more. Yeah, really close to getting that second flap. Would be nice. Oh, there it is. Nice. Don't drop it this time, Igouroni. I am actually going to not pet you if you do that. Ha 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 ha. Ha. Oh god. Oh. Oh no. We can make this work. You put this thing here, right? Drop it. And go back up. Let the wind take you. Or not. Yes. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's the spirit. You are so strong. Holy shoot. I want you to spot for me, Igouroni. Let's see, I think I collected enough. So let's go and work it out.